Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making risotto. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need for the risotto. Chicken stock, arborio rice, onion, shallot, butter, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, white wine, saffron, black pepper, and salt. I've transferred my chicken stock into this pot, and I want it to be almost boiling because I'm going to add it to the rice. You'll see in a few minutes how it's done, okay? The risotto is pretty much done. It's nice and creamy, and now I want to add my seasoning. We're going to add the Parmesan, and this is what really makes the risotto fabulous. Okay, we're gonna stir it up, and it's done, ready to eat. Here's our final product, risotto. This dish could be used as a main dish or side order. Could be also combined with seafood, poultry, beef, vegetables, whatever you desire. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.